All right, update on JASMY. I don't think anything has really changed since this morning. I guess by the time you guys will see, it'll be early tomorrow morning. But right now, it's at 1.7 cents, and I still think 1 penny's on the table unless Bitcoin just rallies to 46K for a higher high. Um, I do think it's slowly bleeding out. There's been accounts saying that they're still dumping coins into circulation. I don't think that has happened this year. That was last year, I believe. I'd have to double check on that. And then someone else, I saw a comment today saying that the devs are slowly bleeding out this coin to go to like around a penny or something like that, so that institutional investors have a really good deal. I don't know how accurate the second statement was there, but if that's the case, it would make complete sense of why we've gone from 34 cents to 1 penny. I also think the third reason why it's happening is that people have just lost faith. They saw this coin was once at $5, and it was around a penny, and then it got listed at Coinbase. It was around 4 cents. I still thought it could be 25x to 100x potential, so they jumped in. It went up to 34 cents, and then that was like the blow off top, and now it's bleeding out. So those are the three scenarios or three reasons why it's probably bleeding out. The second one, like I said, I don't know how accurate it is that the devs are selling the coins so the institutional investors can get cheap. I don't know how accurate that is, but the other two I do know is probably what's going on. So right now, the price to watch out for is 1.1 cents or 1 penny. If Bitcoin keeps rallying up and has a higher high above $46,000, then I don't see this going below a penny. But if Bitcoin loses 36K and goes into a bear market, then this is going to go well below a penny. So then I'd stay away. But as long as Bitcoin is continuing up and goes up to 46K, I still think this will not go below a penny, and that's where I'd want to get in if it goes down that low, or if you get a daily candle close above 3.3 cents, I think that would be another good place to get in. So with that being said, that's kind of it for the price analysis. The 3-day chart still looks pretty similar from this morning. The daily chart is going sideways. The 12-hour chart is trying to go up again, but it's really failing. And the 6-hour chart is going down. So overall, MACD is not very bullish right now. If I go to the daily time frame, you can see according to the super trend, you're still in a major downtrend. That red line, if you break this red line, which is, I don't know if you guys can hear the train going by, but if you break this line to the upside where the 236 fib is and the super trend line is, and close the daily candle above it, that's another reason I think that would be then this would be the bottom if you can get above 3.3 cents, because you have the super trend resistance there if that's a thing, and then you also have a fib there. So 3.3 cents is really a huge line to break to the upside if you ever were to get a rally. From here though, it's probably a 100% move to the upside, so that might be hard to do short term, but long term that would really be where you want to break to the upside. Now obviously the fibs will come down a little bit and the super trend will come down if the price makes a new low below 147. But if that doesn't happen, then then those will stay the same, and 3.3 is currently the line to break to the upside if you don't make a new low. With that being said, that's all I got, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I do think right now it's still bearish though.